everyone, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to show you a beef dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate the beef with vegetables with a jerk sauce. So it's sticky and sweet. I'm also going to make whole grain brown rice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the brown rice. I'm going to put 1 cup in the pot, and then we're going to fill up 3 cups of boiling water and add it in. And then we're going to leave that to boil. Next step I'm going to do is I'm going to put the beef in a preheated oven on 200 degrees. While the beef is cooking, I'm going to chop and peel my carrots, and I'm going to cut up the green beans into smaller pieces. After 20 minutes I've taken the beef out of the oven. I've also chopped up the carrots and the peas. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to drain all the juice out from the beef. So all the juice is drained out of the beef. So now I'm going to add in the carrots and the peas. Just give it a stir around. And what we're going to do next is we're going to add in some jerk sauce. And then give it a stir again, mixing it all up. And then we're going to put it back in the oven, and we're going to leave it in the oven for it to cook for approximately another 40 minutes. The rice is simmering away in here, so I'm just going to leave that to simmer until all the water is absorbed. I've just taken the beef out of the oven after 45 minutes, and it is now cooked. We also have our rice over here that is also cooked. So now we are ready to dish up. And so there we have our beef jerk ready to eat. Don't forget to subscribe below.